Hi and welcome to Laser Gadgets. Today another custom build. Yeah, again. I tried to make this one look like some Maliwan weapon. Let me know what you think about it. Is it Maliwan style or not? The on switch lights up, just like parts of the grip, front and in the back. Plus some blue right there. And speaking of blue, the rings, I saw them on Borderlands 3 somewhere. One of their SMGs had rings and I thought it looked cool. I have another gun, it was a steampunky gun with these rings, and it's hard to make, but I thought for a special occasion like this I should totally go for rings. And whoosh, this is the other side. Bit different. I like the different look on each side. Some heat sinks here, rings, same color combination, some white on the grip. Neat. And now let's check out the laser. Absolutely awesome when the laser beam goes through the rings. That's so freaking awesome. And of course, it's a burning laser. As always. The match test. And people were like, oh my god, you can light a match? Technically yes, but I can also put it right there. Lighting only takes a moment. A super short moment actually. Sorry, match. So that's the short teaser for this time. Don't want to spoil it even more for the customer. Let me think what you know about this gun. Is it Borderlandish enough? Or maybe more TDR? Talk to me in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.